everything I believe in.
Oh, I'm alive! I'm alive! Oh my god! My drugs! Damn it!
And to find it how often I've tried. The highlighted bits are the best parts. We lost so many souls, and it breaks my heart to see my people being slaughtered every year.
Sinners started calling him the Radio Demon.
I just feel like we need to, I don't know, make things sound more exciting. You looking for a fight, old man?
What did you just say to me, you fried chicken fetuses? Speak up!
That wasn't us, Mr. Boss Man.
And I'd sure like to nail her hot spot.
You are a lip-dick jackass, Tom.
Yes, sir, this is the start of some real changes down here.
Gee, that was pretty swell, boss. Yeah, you really showed them what for. I liked when you shot them with your ray gun. I wish he'd shoot me with his ray gun.
Oh, you wanna go, Missy? Well, I'm happy to oblige!
So don't get cute with me, honey, or I will fucking bury you.
And this time, stay dead.
Okay, fine.
Okay, you remember what to say?
Yes, let's do this.
Just look at me, and I'll mouth it to you.
Come on, Vaggie, I know what to say. Hell is my home, and you are my people. Oh, what if I
Sing a song about it?
You knew I was gonna say that.
Because I know you, but please don't sing.
Well, we have a patron already.
Just puppy dog kisses and cotton candy dreams.
I don't know what I'm doing.
What a juicy coincidence!
He looks like a strawberry pimp.
So it's a deal then?
Just a wild goose chase. On the condition that there be no trickster voodoo strings attached. I'm better at expressing myself and my goals through song.
Or should I say, no doubt. Coming up next, we have an exclusive interview with the daughter of Hell's own head honcho, who's here to discuss her brand new passion project. All that and more after the break. Suck it up, you little bitch.
Consider it an investment in ongoing entertainment for myself.
Wow! Everyone wants some of me.
Oh no.
I can suck your dick.
For as long as you desire.
Oh, yes you do! Sorry, you're stuck with me, bitch.
Ugh. Decades ago, Alistair manifested in Hell. Seemingly overnight, he began to topple overlords who had been dominant for centuries.
I'll just have to resort to my impeccable improv skills. Perhaps we can create an alternative way to change souls through...
Oh, harder, Daddy! Kinky. These crazy bitches are no fun! Been clean for 2 weeks!
What in the 9 circles?
This little darling is nifty.
The side remembered is the side with the most style. Oh, not like that, pervert! And it's obvious you ain't catching on.
I have a dream. Which is weird because you're all ladies, no offense.
If you wanted a tour, Jack, All you had to do was ask.
You know it, Sugar Tits.
Wait, you've never heard of him before?
Okay, so now you're sketchy as fuck, and you clearly see what I'm trying to do here as a joke.
Well, sorta clean. Just don't get your taco in a twist, baby. We are keeping this. Get used to it. Listen, who cares if some jagoffs got hurt?
All thanks to you and your selfish bullshit!
Try to relax, Vaggie.
Hey, this body is flawless.
You want people to be good? Just because?
I think everyone deserves a chance to prove they can be better.
Charlie, listen to me.
I don't know if I'm going to make a difference.
Reality! True passion! I've lacked inspiration for decades.
Tell us, how does it feel to be such a total failure?
Hello! Oh.
You can put that away. I don't touch the gays. I have standards.
I could really use some advice, Mom.
Well, don't let him in!
Alistair, pleasure to be meeting you, sweetheart. Quite a pleasure.
Stop right there! Cabrón, hijo de perra!
My work became mundane, lacking focus, aimless. This ridiculous thing you're trying to do.
I'm so evil!
It looks like the one who just joined the battle is none other than porn actor Angel Dust.
But my life is a race.
The chance given was the life they lived before. The punishment is this.
So then, why do you want to help me if you don't believe in my cause?
So, what do you think?
And a violent monster of chaos.
You whores have no class in war.
Yeah, how's that working out for you?
Look,
Just so everyone could witness his ability.
Hey, Vaggie?
what?
The radio demon is at the door.
Speaking of style. You done?
I can't. Just trust me.
So think you're gonna get in a lot of trouble for this?
You can't believe this creep. The radio demon.
It goes against everything I'm trying to do. Temporarily.
Is this girl for real? She thinks it. You hear what she thinks? Oh, she's nuts.
Well, I figured you would be the perfect face to man the front desk of this fine establishment. With your charming smile and welcoming energy, this job was made for you.
Why are you all women? Are there any men here? I'm sorry, that's rude.
Welcome back! Go, Charlotte!
It's Charlie.
Whatever.
A wicked spirit of mystery.
Look, I know he's bad, and I know he probably doesn't want to change.
But life isn't a musical, hun.
Fine.
Just please follow the talking points we went over.
Hey.
Go fuck yourself.
Well, well, well.
You might be some royal big shot, but that doesn't mean shit to me.
Son? It's probably a good idea to get some actual food in this place. You know.
Well, I'm starved. Who wants some jambalaya?
Why don't you get that Tinker Toy bullshit off my turf before I smash it? More.
One of the most powerful beings hell has ever seen.
But the whole point of this is to give people a chance. Yeah, well, how does it feel that I got your pen, huh?
Inside I live a creepy hatchet wielding maniac. It's a jolly happy cupcake loving child.
And I'm not gonna let you hurt anyone here, you pompous, cheesy talk show shitlord.
My time is money, so I'll keep this short.
You thought it would be some kind of big fucking riot just to pull me out of nowhere?
At this rate, I will seize control of the entire west side of the pentagram by day's end. And nothing, not a single beast in this inferno of suffering will be able to take back this empire from my constrictive grasp.
After all, the world is a stage, and the stage is a world of entertainment.
Stupid bitch.
I owed my girl buddy a solid. Isn't that a redeeming quality? Helping friends with stuff?
Was that you trying to be sexist or racist?
In any case,
I'm gonna kill him.
In fact, it nearly killed her.
Hell? What the fuck is this? You.
Glad you haven't changed. You know you're my favorite guy to party with. Why don't you get that Tinker Toy bullshit off my turf before I smash it? More.
He's a deal maker, pure evil, and is most likely looking for a way to destroy everything we're trying to do.
Now will you shoot me with your ray gun?